Hello and welcome to Coding for Kids. In this first challenge video, we're going to look at putting the skills that you've learnt in the first two videos into practice. If you haven't seen the first two tutorials, I'll link them in the description below. Right, let's look at the challenge. So here's the challenge that you guys are going to attempt. So you need to write a program that asks the user for their name and then return their name in a message. So like, if the computer asks, "What is your name?" and you say Andrew, the computer will then say, "Hello Andrew, it is nice to meet you." So now pause the video, have a go at this challenge, and then once you're done, come back and we'll work through a work solution together. Alright, now that you've done that, let's have a look at the answers. So, if I was going to do this, first thing I'd do is open up my Python idle. Yeah, if you don't know how to download this, I will link the video of how to download Python in the description below. So once you open this, you'll get your Python shell. We're going to need more than one line of code. So we're going to have to go to File, up the top, and then go New File to create an editor over here. And we can put as many lines as we want in here. So the first thing we had to do was ask the user for their name. To do that, we're going to call our variable name, because that makes sense, is equal to, we're going to go input, we want to ask what is your name, question mark and space, and then the normal syntax for an input statement that we learned in one of the first tutorials. Now to save this, we're going to save this to run it. I'm going to call it challenge 1, save. I'm going to go at the top, hit run, and then click run module. We'll see if this works. What is your name? Perfect. That's all we need it to do for now. To get the second part, what we're going to do, we need it to print hello something, it is nice to meet you. So if we go print, bracket, inverted comma, hello, it is nice to meet you, and then finish that off with the correct syntax, and then save it. If we run this now, Andrew, it will say, "Hello, it's nice to meet you." The last step is we're going to have to put the name inside the new statement. So to do that, we're going to invert commas there, which will print this, plus name, because we've defined name as a variable up here, plus, and then another set of inverted commas. There's going to be something wrong with this, but we'll run it, and so you guys can see. So if we go run module, what is your name? Hello Hugo. So we need to put a space here, otherwise it's just going to add the two together. So once we put a space here and click save, we should be able to run this and it should work. Andrew, hello Andrew, it is nice to meet you. And that's exactly what we wanted the code to do. Thank you for watching this challenge episode from Coding for Kids, and we'll see you in the next episode.